Hi everyone, this is your ma'am Hema Malini from Bharadasan Matriculation Higher Secondary School. Today we are going to see in first standard maths lesson number 6 addition and subtraction. Now we are going to discuss about addition now. So do you know what is the meaning for addition? So listen here, addition is the process of calculating the total of two or more number or amount. So when we are adding a two or more numbers, that we say as a addition. Next, addition is one of the four basic operation of arithmetic. So the other three basic or subtraction, multiplication and division. This addition is used by the symbol. This is our addition symbol. This is the symbol of addition. So before we are going to this addition, we already know how to add the numbers, is right? Just we are using a simple that we say as a simple addition. Simple addition is nothing but adding the two numbers. Let's see now, I will show you. See here, what should be in your mind? We should start at which value, ones place value or a tens place value? It's very good. We should start at the ones place value. So ones and tens. So we should start from the ones place value. The ones place value, the given numbers are 3 and 6. Ones place value. So the given number is 53 and 36. In 53, 3 is a ones place value. In 36, 6 is a ones place value. So first we should calculate from the ones place value. What is at the first number? First addend is number 3 in ones place value 3. So 3 should be in your mind and 6 should be in your finger. We should say the after number for the first addend. For the first addend ones place value. So what should be come after to number 3 is number 4. After 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. There is any more finger is there? No. So our answer is number 9. Then after finishing the ones place adding this ones place value, we need to go for the tens place value. So the tens place value, the given two numbers of 5 and 3. So what should be in your mind? Addend 1 should be in your mind and 2 in your finger. So addend 1 is a 5. So 5 should be in your mind and 3 should be in your finger. So say the next number for the number 5 is the number 6 is the next number for number 5. So 6, 7, 8. So our answer is 8. When we add the two numbers 53 and 36, we get answer 89. This is your sum. Our answer is our sum. So this simple format we say as without regrouping. Now we can move on to regrouping format. Let's see now, before we are entering into the sum, let's see the sum by using the number line. So we already know that the parts of the additions. What are the parts present in the addition? One is your addend. Addend is nothing but the number, and the next is important as a symbol, addition symbol, this one. So addend 1 and addend 2 equal to. So when we add addend 1 and addend 2, we get the sum. Now say what should be in your mind? 2 in your mind and 1 in your finger. 2 after 3. That is no more number is there, no more finger is there. So our answer is, our sum is number 3. Very good, fine. Now we can move on to the number line. See here, number line. First we should know that what is the meaning for number line. So number line can be defined as a straight line with a number placed at the equal interval and the segment along the length. So what is the meaning for this means? They will give a straight line. So listen here, this is your straight line. So, the number line can be defined as a straight line with the number are placed at a equal interval or a segment along with the line, along its length. So, first this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So, is defined as the straight line in which the numbers are placed in the regular interval. Regular interval is nothing but the distance between these two. This is a regular interval. It has the same length between these two number. All the number have the same distance only. So, this is your number line. Adding on a number line is making a forward jump. So, forward jump from your left hand side to your right. So, if they given the number as 3, if the given number is 3 plus 4. So, we should first mark the number 3 here. After that, we should make a jump towards forward or backward. Tell me. Very good, Sandra. It's towards a forward because addition we use only the forward jump. Is right. So, the jump, how many jump we need to jump? Very good. We need to jump 4 jump. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So, our answer is number 7. Very good. When we add 3 plus 4, we get an answer, the sum as number 7. Fine, superb. Now, see, now we are going to use the addition of a number line by using the 3 numbers. Okay. First, the given number is number 2 plus 5 equal to, what will be the answer? Let's see now. So, 2 plus 5, here we are going to use by using the 3 numbers. So, 5 plus 2 plus 5, what is the answer is given there? That answer plus something we are going to add. The sum is that only. So, first 2 plus 5, what is the answer will be? Let's see. The butterfly is placed in the number 2. Now, how many jump the butterfly want to jump now? Very good. It want to jump 5 because the addend 2 is number 5. Addend 1 is 2. So, the butterfly is placed in number 2. Now, the addend 2 is number 5. So, the butterfly need to jump 5 times. So, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So, our answer is number 7. Very good. So, answer is number 7. So, now what I am going to do means 7 the answer plus number 5. What will be the answer? Let's see now. So, now this butterfly is placed. Now, see here. The butterfly is placed in this number 7 because it is a continuation sum. So, the sum is nothing but, so 2 plus 5 equal to number 7. Now, we are adding this 7 plus 5. What will be the answer? So, in a number line, we keep the butterfly in number 7. This is your addend 1 here. So, addend 2 is number 5. Now, the butterfly need to jump 5 times. How many times? 5 times. So, listen here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is our answer? Yes, very good. The answer is number 12. While we are adding a 7 plus 5, we get the answer as sum as number 12. Right. See this problem in the number format. addition with regrouping, by regrouping. Okay. Now listen here. What is this one? Very good, cake. You all like cake very much, is right? Very good. I too like. So listen here. How many cakes are present here? Let's start count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8. 8. 8. Now see here how many cakes are present there? 4. Very good. 4. Do you know what will be the answer? And one more. So 2 cakes are there. How many cakes? 2 cakes. So my dear children, how we will add this? Last time we get only a 2. Last time we get only 2 numbers. That is a without regrouping. In the addend, in the addition, we use only the 2 addend. But now we are using the 3 addend. How can we add this? You don't know. Ma'am will teach you. This is an easy method. I will teach you for you. That's why we are saying that a regrouping. So it's nothing but first, what the first step is. Here we have a 8, is right. So grouping is nothing but first we should add 10. அதாவது என்ன பண்ணணும்னா grouping நமக்கு regrouping பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் நம்ம வந்து ஒரு bundle சொல்லுவோம். The bundle consists of only 10. என்ன பண்ணனும்னா 10 வந்து எந்த ஒரு ஆப்ஜெக்ட் இருந்தாலும் first 10 வந்து ஒரு group அப்படினு சொல்லிட்டு நம்ம வெச்சுக்கணும். So here 8 plus 2, see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 is there. 8 9 10. So we should mark this as a one group. Okay, one group. So 10 is there. So after 10, 11 12 13 14. So our answer is 14. How many? 14. Let's see one more sum here. Now you going to do this sum. What is this? Is ice cream. How many ice creams are there? Very good. 6 plus how many ice creams are there now? Very good. Suppose 6. Now how many are there? Number 3. So what we want to do now, first we should group it. Okay, we should group it. The group consists of 10 objects. 8 going to be ice cream or otherwise a toy, apple, anything. It's not a matter, but we should group into a 10 as a one unit. 10 or unit eduthuknom. Okay, fine. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So this as one group. Okay, this has one group. How many are there? 10. Now start count now. 11 12 13 14 and 15 and 15. So our answer is number, very good, number 15 is the answer. Super. Let's do the sum now using the numbers, not by the pictorial representation. Fine. Now we are using the numbers. Now we are going to put the sum using the numbers. So my dear children, see here 58 plus 35. So always the addition will be start at the ones place value, where the ones place value, and then only we can move to the tens place value. Come on, tell me what should be in your mind and what should be in your finger. 8 in a mind, 5 in a finger. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Fine. Shall we write here 13? Okay, fine. Next, 5 in a mind, 3 in a finger. 5 after 8, after 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is the answer. Whether this is correct, tell me, this is a correct format? Correct. Ma'am, this is a correct. Is correct. How it is a correct, my dear children? So it is a C. This is not a correct. This is wrong. This is wrong format. Why? Because we are getting 2-digit number. Here while we are adding the ones place value, we get 2-digit number. So, you should not write the 2-digit number in the ones value. You should not write this 2-digit, this 13 in the ones place value. This is wrong. For this only I am saying that this method is with regrouping. This is a regrouping method. So, it should not write like this. This has some special method is there. I will say you. So, this is a wrong. You should not write like this. So, the first step is that write ones place and the tens place value. So, we get the answer as 13. So, what we want to do means first write number 13 here. So, after that we need to write ones and tens place value here, ones and tens place value. So, ones place value the number is 3. So, you should write this 3 in the ones place value. Where we need to write? In the ones place value. Fine. So, write 3 here. Okay, fine. Writing a 3 in the ones place value. What about this one? Where we want to write this one? Where? I will say you. You should write this tens place value in the down of, in the top of that number 5, below to T, top of number 5. Number not 5. In the next sum the number may be changed. So, you should write in the above number. So, now the same process, add and 1 should be in your mind and 2 in your finger. 5 in the mind, 3 in a finger, 5 after, 6, 7, 8, we finish. So, 8 no more finger. So, 8 plus 1. How many? 8 in a mind, 1 in a finger. So, 8 after 9. So, you should write this number 9 here. You should write number 9 here. So, our answer is 93. So, this is regrouping form. Let us see one more sum here. So, 26 plus 46, what will be the answer? Come on, tell me. So, what should be in your mind? First step is to write ones place and the tens place value. Add and 1 should be in your mind, add and 2 in your finger. So, 6 in a mind, 6 in a finger. 6 after, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, write this 12 here because this is a 2-digit number. Okay, 2-digit number, it has ones place and the tens place value. So, you should not write in the ones place value. You should not write this 2-digit number in the ones place value. That's why we are writing the side and mark it as ones place and the tens place value. So, the next step is the ones place value should be right in the ones place value and the tens place value should be right in the ones place value should be right in the ones place and the tens place value should be right in the tens place. So, ones place should be in the ones place value, in the ones place, and then tens should be in the tens place. Now, add the number. What should be in your mind? Add and 1. Is it 2? 2 in a mind, 4 in a finger. 2 after, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 is there. So, 6 plus 1, very good, 7. So, our answer is 72. Fine, my dear children. So, let us do one more problem here, one problem. Fine. So, 39 and 28. Come on, tell me. First write ones place value and the tens place value. First write this. Add this to add and 1 and add and 2 in the ones place value and tell me this sum is a grouping or without grouping, with regrouping or without regrouping. You need to tell, Now add this ones place value and tell me whether the sum is with regrouping or without regrouping. Let you check now. Let's check. What should be in your mind? 9 in a mind, 8 in a finger. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Now tell me it is with regrouping or without regrouping. Come on, tell me. It is, yes, very good. It is with regrouping. So first write this number. What number we said now? Very good. 17. So write ones place and tens place value here. Ones place value should be come to the ones place value. So ones place value in 17, 7 is the ones place value. So write in the sum place 7 here, and the tens place value should be go to the tens place value number here. So now addend 1 and addend 2, what should be in your mind? Is addend 1, 3 should be in your mind and 2 in your finger. 3 after 4, 5, very good. So one more number is there, 4 and 5, and one more number is there. What is the number? 1. So 5 after number 6. So our answer is 67. While we are adding 39 and 28, we get answer of 67. So when we get the 2-digit number while we are adding the ones place value, that sum is with regrouping. Fine. So in that case, we should write that number, the 2-digit number outside of that, and outside of that question, not in here, okay, not in the sum place. You should write at the side, and we need to write ones place and the tens place value. Ones place should be in the ones place, tens place should be in the tens place. After that, start writing this, then you add this tens place value, then one number, add that number and write an answer here. So my dear children, in the description we have added, subject material, question bank and self-assessment. Thank you my dear children. Go through it and practice well and make it as a good. Thank you.